Hi, good morning guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today for dinner I'll be preparing oven baked chicken with my secret spice and sauce that I'll add to it. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, so here I have the chicken that has been seasoned and marinated overnight. It's about a pound and a half. I don't really know if I'm going to use all of it, but it's well seasoned and I hope you enjoy this dish. So I went ahead and preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So while I'm preparing the chicken in the pan to be baked, it's preheating. Okay guys, so I've gone ahead and placed the chicken in the pan and the oven is ready now. So I'm just gonna place it inside of the oven. As you can see, the herbs and spices on it. There you go. Place it in the oven. Now it's time to bake. So guys, while it's being baked, I'm going to go ahead and make my sauce that I'm going to use to marinate it. What I have here is the Kraft sweet honey and Hunt's tomato ketchup, and I'll also add some brown sugar to give it a little sweet taste. Okay guys, so 2 tablespoons of the sweet and sour honey sauce, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and here I have 2 tablespoons of the brown sugar. What I'm going to do is add it to it and mix it in. You're gonna mix it until the sugar is dissolved. This will give your chicken that sweet flavor. There guys, so I whipped it until the sugar has dissolved. So it's ready, so that when I'm to glaze the chicken, it's right here. So I'm gonna place this back in the refrigerator until the chicken is ready to be glazed. Okay guys, I'll come back. So now I'll just take it out to just glaze it a little and put it back inside of the oven to catch that lovely color that you're looking for. Now I don't have a brush, so I'm just going to use a spoon and to just marinate it. Show the glaze all over. Okay guys, there you go. So I'm gonna place it back in the oven. Okay, there you go people, the finishing touch. Oven baked chicken. Join me at the table. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Okay guys, there you go. Dinner is served. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Guys, this is my dinner. The previous one was my wife's. I hope you enjoy watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. And have a safe day.